Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 04, exercise basic, which exists on page number 30, workbook number 1, basic algebra and algebraic manipulation. Question number 1. You can see in your workbook, that is on page number 30, you can see the write down the algebraic expression. Now algebraic expression, that is we are in textbook. How can we write? Okay, read the statement and you can write. In a part, subtract 4 from the sum of 2x and 5x. So in a part, subtract 4. Okay, we can subtract 4 from the sum of 2x and 5y. That is your first algebraic expression. Second one is in your B part, add 9z to the product of add 9z. Okay, 9z we can add to the product of what? 3x into 7y. So this is your product case. Third one is multiply the product of 7x and 11y by 2. Okay, that is multiply 2z. Okay, multiply the product of 7x. Okay, product of 7x to what? To 11y, that is by 2z. Okay, 2z. So this is your product situation. Fourth one is divide the sum of 3z and 7s by 5a. Divide, okay, what? 3z plus 7s by what? By 5a. Similarly, in E part, subtract the quotient of p. Subtract the quotient of p divided by 3q. Subtract the quotient p divided by 3q from cube of r. From cube of r. Similarly, in F part, you can see in F part, that is thrice the value of w, thrice the value of w divided by the sum of 3x and 7y. Similarly, in G part, subtract 9 times. Okay, subtract 9 times what? The x and 3h from k, which is divided by 2y. So that is your algebraic manipulation or algebraic expression, you can see. Now coming to the question number 2, that is your question number 1, only to write a simple equation. Now in question number 2, if the value of we have to find the value of a, that is 7b minus 3c plus 4a. If the value of a and b and c is given to us, that is the value of a is 3, b is 2 and c is minus 1. Okay, putting the values here to evaluate it, that is 7 into b and 3 into 4 into a, that is 3. Okay, we have to just put the values, that is after multiplying 7 2s are 14 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 4 3s are 12. Now 12 13 14 15 15 16 17 18 19 and that is 29. So that is the result. Similarly in B part, 3a cube. Okay, putting the values, the value of a is 3 cube. First of all, remove the cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So after simplification, 27 3s are, that is 7 3s are 21 and 3 2s are 6. 81 is your required answer. Similarly, in C part, you can see 5b whole square. 5b whole square. So what is the value of b? B having 2 and whole is square, that is 5 2s are 10 having square, so 10 10s are 100. So that is your required result. Similarly, the value of D part, that is question number 2, D part, the value of A, B and C is given to us, that is the value of, that is 3 and 2 and minus 1. So it is given to us. So in D part, you can say 2A plus B plus C, 5B minus 3A. Okay, putting the values, 2 into A 3, the value of B is 2, C is minus 1. Similarly, 5B, the value of B is 2 and the value of A is 3. So that is your simplified form. So now 3 2s are 6 minus plus 2 minus 1 and 5 2s are 10 minus 9 1, and from here you 6 8 8 minus 1 7 7 1s are 7. That is the result. Similarly, in E part, A minus B whole square minus B minus C whole square. So putting the values, A minus B whole square, C is minus 1 whole square, 2 plus 1 whole square, 3 whole square, 1 whole square having 1 minus 3 is 9. So greater value sign should be used, minus 8. Similarly, question number F part. In F part, 2a square minus 3b square plus 3abc. Putting the values, the value of a is 3, b is 2, b is b2, c minus 1. Okay, simplify it. First of all, remove the square. 3 3s are 9, 4, 3 2s are 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, minus 18. So right here minus 18. 4 3s are 12, 9 2s are 18. Now both are minus and plus, so minus 18 plus 18, only you get minus 12. This is your required result. Now in G part, a plus 3b whole square whole cube. Now putting the values, the value of a is 3 plus 3 into b, 3 2s are 6 having power 3, 9 into 9 into 9, you can say that 9 into 9 into 9, 9 into 9 into 9, you will get 7, you will get 729 is your required result. Now similarly in H part, that is a power b, you can see here a power b minus c power a plus b square. So you can say that the b power c. Okay, putting the values, the a is 3 and having power b 2. Similarly, c is -1 having power a, the value of a is 3. Similarly, b is 2 having power c, that is -1. So 3 3s are 9 and -1 again after removing the power, and again 2 power -1. So it means, how can we solve this? To become the power positive, you can write 1 by 2 power plus 1. So in this way, after simplification, plus 1 by 2. Now here denominator is 1, so you can take the LCM. 2 plus 9 2s are 18. So your result is 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 by 2 is your required result. Similarly, in I part, that is a by b minus b by c. Putting the values, the value of a is 3, b is 2, c is -1, 3 by 2 plus 2 by 1. After putting the values, you can take LCM. 3 4 7 by 2 is your required result. Similarly, in J part, in J part, 8b minus 3a power square divided by c. Putting the values, b is 2, 3 into a having power square, the value of c is -1. And that is 3 is a 9, 9 having square -1. Now after removing the square, you will get 16 minus 9 9s are 81 -1. So greater value sign should be used here. 81 minus 16, that is 16 minus 81, you will get minus 65. Minus will be cancelled, so 65 is your required result. Now similarly, in K part, b plus c divided by 2, b plus c divided by a, and plus a plus bc divided by b. So putting the values, the value of b is 2, c is -1 and a is 3. Similarly, 3 plus b 2 into c -1 and the value of b is 2. So be careful, that is 2 minus 1 divided by 3, 3 minus 2 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So the LCM is 6, so you will get 2 plus 3. 5 by 6 is your required result. Now coming to the L part, in L part, that is a square divided by a square minus b square divided by c square. Okay, we have little space here, you can see here freely, that is a square minus b square divided by c square is a square minus c divided by c minus that is 3b. Okay, putting the values, a square 3 square b having square c minus 1 minus a square c c b value having 2. So simplify it. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 having square minus sign should be removed. Similarly 3 3s are 9 plus 1 minus 1 minus 6. So 9 minus 4 5 by 1 minus 10 by minus 7, but minus minus it should be positive. But in next step you can see here 5 by 1 minus 10 by minus 7, you can write minus by 1 plus 10 by 7. First step, second step, third step, LCM 7 and 7 5s are 35. So your result is 35 45 by 7. So that is your required result if you divide it in whole number, but no need. So that is your required result. Question number 2. Now coming to the question number 3. Question number 3. Find the sum of each of the following set of expression. Find the sum. Question number 3. Find the in A part 3x plus 9y minus comma minus 11y. Okay, sum 3x 9y and sum mean plus, but when minus always wins, so 11y. So homogeneous term should be, so this is your horizontal method, so you can write minus 11 2y. So that is your result, because 9y minus 11y you will get this. Similarly in B portion you can see here minus a minus 3b comma 7a minus 10b. Now we have to find sum, that is minus a minus 3b plus 7a minus 10b. Remove the comma sign and put plus here. Very simple. Now homogeneous term should be added and subtracted, that is aa and bb should be subtracted or minus as per given sign. So you will get 7a minus a 6a and minus 13b is your required result. Similarly in C part, in C part in C part 13d plus 5c comma minus 13c plus 5d. Okay, find the sum 13d plus 5c minus 13c plus 5d. Only you have to put the positive or negative to remove the comma, but negative always wins, so therefore now homogeneous term should be added or subtracted, that is your 13d and 5d, 18d and cc minus 13 minus 5. So you will get 13 minus 5, you will get 8 minus 8c, greater value sign should be used here. Answer. And D part, that is 7 PQ minus 11 HK comma minus 3 PQ minus 21 KH. So this implies that 7 PQ minus 11 HK minus 3 PQ, remove the comma to put positive, but here is negative, so you have to write negative here. 21 KH or HK, both are the same. So the homogeneous term, that is hk and in hk you will get what? 21 and 11. You can write as similarly the pq and pq, so you can write as 4 pq and minus 32 hk. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 4. Question number 4. Simplify. That is in A part, 5x plus 7y minus 2x minus 4y. So only homogeneous term should be added, that is yy, and xx, that is 5x you will get 3x and 7 plus 3y. So you can take common as a 3, so you can write x plus y. Similarly in B portion, minus 3a minus 7b plus 11a plus 11b. Homogeneous term should be added, subtracted, bb and aa. So you will get 8, 9, 10, 11. 8a, 11 and 7. So subtract 11, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4b. So greater value sign should be used, it is plus. So you can take common, 4 you can take common, so divide it. So 2a plus b. That is the result. Now coming to the C part. In C part, 5u minus 7v minus 7u minus 9v, v and v you will get, that is u and u, minus 2u and minus 16v. You can take common, minus 2 common, u plus 8 2s are 16. That is the result. So in D part, 5p plus 4q minus 7r minus 5q and plus 4p. So homogeneous, that is for example you can say p, you will get 9p, and q you will get minus q, 5q minus 4q because of greater value sign. Similarly r, 7r, you have only one r here, so it means you have to write minus 7r. You cannot take anything common from it, so that is your required result. Now in E portion, E part, in E, that is 5pq minus 7qp plus 21 minus 7. So what will you get? You can say that qp and pq both are the same thing, so minus 2pq and plus 14. You can take common, minus 2 pq minus 7. That is your result. Similarly, coming to the F part, that is your F part, 15x plus 9y plus 5x minus 3y minus 13. So x and x should be subtracted or added, 20x and yy plus 6xy, greater value sign should be used here, and minus 13. You can take anything common from it. Okay, it is not possible because one is 13, so that's why that will require result. Now G part, that is 8ab minus 5bc 21b c b a and b a minus 7 c b. So you can see here 7 c b a b. Okay, now once again you can see here a b, and that is your a b. Both are the same thing, a b or b a, and similarly c b or b c, here both are the same thing. So simplify it, AB and AB both are plus, so 929 AB or BC, AB or BC. Now similarly minus minus plus greater value sign, so 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 BC. So BB you can take common in next step. You can see here B can be taken as common, so 29A minus 12C, so that is your A. So that is your result. If you cannot take common, no problem, then again it will also consider the true one. Now in next part, that is your H part. H part. In H part, minus 7 plus mn plus 9 mm minus 3 mn minus 25. Now simplify it, mn, mn and mn. 10 mn minus 3, 7 mm, and constant should be subtracted or added. 25, 30, 32 minus 32, cannot take anything common, that is the answer. In I part, you can see 3h minus 4gh plus 2 by 3h minus 1 by 3 gh. Now gh should be written at one side, that is your 2 by 3, that is your 2 by 3h. Now h should be written at one side, that's one. So you can say that 3h plus 2 by 3h, similarly 4gh minus 1 by 3 gh. Now the h should be added or subtracted, taking common, taking LCM 3 is a 9h plus 2h. Similarly here 3 is your LCM. You can see here the only to clear the concept. Now 3 is your 4 is your 12 gh and simple gh. Now after simplification you will get 3 9h 11h minus 12gh minus 11gh. Now taking once again further steps, LCM, you can see next steps, you can see here, that is again LCM 3 LCM 11h minus 11gh. So that is your required result, but you try to take common. 11h can be taken as common, so 1 minus g divided by 3 is your required result. Now coming to the that is your actually I part, that is your I part. Now coming to the J part, 3 by 5x minus 2 by 3xy plus 1 by 4x minus 1 by 5xy minus 1 by 5x minus 1 by 5xy. So xy should be written at one side. You can see 3 by 5x and plus 1 by 4x. This one is written at one, are homogeneous at same place, that is 2 by 3xy minus 1 by 5xy. Now again solve it. LCM is 20, 4 3s are 12x, 5x. Similarly again 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10x LCM, and 5 3s are 3xy. So 10x minus 3x, you will get what? 10x minus 3x, you will get 7xy. Similarly 5 3 is 15, there is 20, okay, 12 and 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17x by 20. Now again you can take LCM in further steps. So what is the LCM of both 15 and 20? What is the LCM? Okay, find out. That is 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 3, and then again 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 60 is your LCM. Divide 20, you will get 3. 3 multiplied by 17, so 3 multiplied by 17, so you will get 51x, and 7 4s are, divide 60 by 15, 4 7 are 28xy. So now further steps, you can see here. So you can say that is your 51x minus 28xy divided by 60. You can take common anything, you can take common from it. Okay, you can say that so anything you can take common from it, that is x and x you can take common, that is 51 minus 28y by 60, because other common cannot be taken here, so that's why that is your required result. Now coming to the that is your k part. K part, second last part, K part, 2.5p minus 3.6 q and plus 1.3, 1.1, 1.1 p plus 1.1 p minus 6.3 q. Okay, pp should be shifted at one side, or will be written at same place, same side. 2.5 by writing this at same place, 1.1 p and minus 3.6 q minus 6.3 q. Okay, q. So simple, you add it, and this one will also be added. So 2.5 3.6 p and 6.3 and 3 6 7 8 9 9.9 q. So if anything you can take common, so is it possible? So I think not properly. So that is your required result. Now last part of this question, that is L part. Last question, L part of this, minus 0.5a minus 0.65b then plus 0.375a minus 0.258b. so write it same place the same value, that is 0.5a plus 0.375a 37a. This one should be written a and a. Similarly in b portion, minus 0.65b minus 0.258b, so that is your bb, that one is and that one is. So after writing it a same placed, so what value you get? So from here this one is negative sign, so it means you have to subtract, that is 0.375 minus 0.5, you will get 0.125. Greater value sign should be used here, that is minus 0.125 e. Similarly minus minus should be plus, so you will get what p, that is 0.65 plus 0.258, so you will get that is 0.908 b. so that is your required result, because that is your a, that is your b, cannot be subtracted, so that is your required result. So I hope that it will be helpful to you for understanding. So thanks a lot, thank you for watching.